Hey Tech Library fan, welcome back to another tech tutorial. Today we're tackling a common issue, as simple as forgetting your Snapchat password. Worry no more, I have provided a guide that will assist you to get a new password, so let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app and tap on Login, then tap Forgot your password. You'll see two options, using either email or through SMS. Select the one that is most easily available. Reset through either of the two. If you select email, change your email address and click on Submit. Later, a link to reset the password will be sent to your email. Click it and follow the instructions to set new password. If you select SMS, then enter the phone number that you will be receiving the verification code through the message to your mobile phone. Then you will be required to type the code in the application and follow new password creation instructions. The other method is to check your browser password manager. If in any case you have saved the password of your Snapchat account in a browser, you can easily get it. If your browser is Google Chrome, search for snapchat.com under passwords or autofill where the I button will show your saved password. Lastly, you can check the settings of your device. Android users should open Settings, click Google, then manage your Google account, Security, Password Manager, and look for snapchat.com, while iOS users should tap Settings, then Passwords, and search for snapchat.com. Type your device password or use fingerprint Face ID to check the saved Snapchat password. That's it, people. Just 3 ways to reset your Snapchat password in case you forgot it. If this video was helpful, do not forget to like it, and for more, the Tech Library subscribe. Thanks.